Here's a multi-million-dollar crib that is mine. Let's start with the first bedroom. It's a 5-bedroom. This right here is the guest room. So this is the guest bathroom, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. Art pieces, because I'm a lover of art. This right here is what the closet looks like. Now, let me show you. So we have the maid room here. Now this is under renovation, still being furnished up to taste. As you can see, more art pieces. And right before the front door, we have more art pieces. And now this is also the visitors' bathroom. Kitchen is under renovation, so I can't really show you much about it, but this is the living room. And as you can see, this is just beautiful. We have the glass ceiling. As you can see, this is oak wood stairs, really done. More art pieces, 100%. I'm a big lover of art. Then we have another bedroom here. Excuse me, it's not that lit. And then we have the bathroom right here. This right here is where my younger sister will be. It's beautiful, really beautiful. This is where the car park is at. I'm still undecided about whether to change this place to a workspace, but this is what the bathroom looks like. Really spacious, really beautiful. You can do whatever you want in here, and then you can just close it when you're done, and instantly that's it. Eating room. We have a room here, but I'll show you this first. So this is the master bedroom. This is what the bedroom looks like. Really amazing. Super excited to transform this place soon enough. As you can see, it's still pretty empty, but the good thing is there are 2 walkways into the changing room and the closet, so come see. Now, as you can see again, there's an art piece here, then there is a walkway out, but let me show you this. This is the beauty of it all. Bathtub here, floor to ceiling windows, and then there is also the toilet, and as you can see, it's spacious. There's the bathroom there, and yeah. So now let me show you the last room up here. That is this room. 5 bedrooms, 1 maid room, and then this also has its own toilet. So as you will see, this is very, very spacious. This is my man cave. And here you can look down to the floor. I love it. Honestly, this is what life is all about. Very comfortable rocking chair to enjoy. Walk-in the closets look like spacious art pieces as usual. And then when you come out from here, there is the stairs. But this is a beauty to behold. Another room, very spacious and a view to behold. We have a restroom here for people to use, and we have another majestic bedroom here. It's mind-blowing to think that for someone who comes from Nigeria, started out with nothing, you get to experience stuff like this. So I'd advise that you go all in on your vision, go all in on your dreams. I'm currently building Phoenix watches to the $100 million mark, and that is what's made stuff like this possible. But come along, let me show you more of the rooms. So as you can see, you've seen 3 rooms already. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one here, and then there's another one here. Of course, an art space, and another bedroom here, as you can see. So now you've seen 4 bedrooms. This is what the bathrooms are roughly the same. Wealthy neighbors. If you want to get wealthy, you have to surround yourself with wealthy people. Wealthy neighbors, as you can see. Great collections of cars. That's a Mansory. It's insane. So this is still being properly designed. You're going to see what it looks like later down the line. This is the walkway, art pieces, art pieces. It's a beauty to behold. And then there is a guest bedroom here, which is closer to the garage. It's also very, very huge. And this is the walkway to the living room. More art pieces, more art pieces. Oh, let me show you the kitchen first. So this is what the kitchen looks like. There's a washroom here, and then there is a maid room. So this is a maid room. So that makes it roughly 6 rooms that are here. And this is the living room.
This is the life we live in.
But yeah, and we have the backyard. But that's it about that. You gotta go for your dreams.
Racing to the finish line, seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt.
So today I'm viewing properties out at Damak Hills because I want to move my younger sister to a place here in Dubai and follow along. So this is the master bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom, 5-bath. This is what the master bedroom for this looks like. Completely unfurnished. Here we have the bathroom. It's not super modern or anything. So as you can see, this is what they have: a bathtub and a shower room. This, I'm thinking, will be my sister's room when she comes to Dubai. It has a balcony. It's a bit massive, nothing crazy. Then this is the bathroom. I think it is well aerated, well ventilated. It looks good. And now follow me downstairs. Oh, by the way, so this is another bedroom. And then here we have a standing desk and a chair for working. But I'm thinking this is going to be my workspace when I decide I'm going to be working here. And as you can see, the view is also very, very beautiful. But follow along. So this is the walkway and what it looks like. And now this is the kitchen, and obviously the kitchen is big. There's an extra bedroom here which can be a maid room, and it also has its comfort, the restroom. Now let's see what the living room looks like. So this is what, I honestly don't know what magic would be made, but this is what the living room looks like. And then there's an extra greenery out there. I'm here to decide though. I would prefer 4 to 5 bedroom, I guess, because I know my sister would want her own space. I love my own space. I like to have a workspace, and then 1 room in case anyone comes visiting. But yeah, that's what I think. What do you guys think of this? I'm sure when it is designed, it would look a lot better than this, but yet to decide. Okay, now I'm at the Dubai Mall to get something, and I just showed you the house store. Now, if you're thinking, how exactly am I able to afford a $16 million villa for myself and also to be able to take care of my younger sister and provide a life like this? It is because I chose the right wealth cycle, right? I have a luxury men's watch brand, which you guys already are aware of. I show you that you do not have to slave your entire life for peanuts. My parents worked all of their lives and they could barely even afford to live comfortably, right? But I figured one thing out: if you can sell something outside of your time, you're going to make good money for yourself. And that is why I am hosting a free live webinar, which I'm going to be calling the Profit Bootcamp. And in there, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find out what to sell, how to market it the right way, and also make consistent 5 figures a month. Now, that could be $10,000 a month, that could be $20,000 a month, that could be $30,000 a month. But I'm going to show you how to think exactly like me and make profit for yourself. So someday you could be able to afford living like this. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely check out more information in the description. And also go ahead and watch this video where I talk about my journey from $42 a month to $250 million, and also watch this playlist where I also go into how you can build a successful brand, and subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you in the next video.